One of my favorite memories at the school so far has been when the school won our 3P #1 pharmacy school event. It was just celebration upon celebration. Now that I'm talking, it reminds me of a picture that I took at the photo booth, and like how I was just like this with my #1. I think that's been my favorite so far. Hello, my name is Ama. I'm a second-year student and I'm the incoming president for SNPhA. I was born in Ghana, grew up most of my life in Ghana until high school. That's when I moved to the US. I did my high school in New York and then went into college at Massachusetts at Smith College. And then now I'm here at UNC. I really got attracted to UNC because one, my auntie actually is in UNC, so I was like, if I'm gonna move to a place for school, I do want a familiar face. I want someone I can always lean on when things do get tough. And also I like the whole idea of having the opportunity to experience being in a hospital or like in a pharmacy setting early on in your career. It's not done a lot in other schools. So just being able to do that as a first year and then as a second year and as a third year, just even before I get into my fourth year, it is for me one of the highlights and why I chose UNC. So SNPhA is the Student National Pharmaceutical Association. Our mission in SNPhA is to serve the underserved, and some of our signature events involves community service events where we assess what's going on in our community, write notes or like gather materials and present them to people in the community that need them really well. So I joined SNPhA as a first year. I'm a second year, and honestly, it's been really rewarding being in it for this long. After graduation, I'm hoping to pursue a residency route. I'm very much interested in oncology, so hopefully a 2-year residency where my second year would focus more on specializing in oncology. And long term after that, I do want to go back to Ghana and open a pharmaceutical company. My sister has a pharmacy in Ghana. I do want to open one and hopefully expand it to make it bigger than what she already has. So those are some of my short-term and long-term goals. My biggest advice to incoming students is make sure you're exploring all your options. Don't come in with a close mindset. There's a lot of things about pharmacy that I personally did not know as a first year, and I'm beginning to learn about, and it's like, okay, maybe I should have explored and be more open-minded. Just know that there's a lot of things in pharmacy that you can do, and never feel like you're limited to any specific thing.